Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Aurakich, Aurakich. This is a glass ceramic hob with two plates. This is a built-in hob with abrasion resistant glass ceramic shield. Yeah, 3000 watt power, 9 power levels, and the timer functions from 1 up to 99 minutes. With a child lock, and it operates with a plug. This is a plug-in device, so you do not have to connect it to your wire's power supply. You can attach this to a wall socket. That's possible to use for nearly all pots out there. With here a high quality ceramic hob, the abrasion resistant and easy to clean glass ceramic hob makes this hob too hobs, of course, particularly durable and easy to care of. And that's a nearly easy installation solution. This built-in stove with a ceramic hob is suited for standard worktops and is delivered including the plug for installation without special tools. We will need, of course, the template. And if we get the template into position, we're going to use a saw to cut this out, this area, yeah? And if it is cut out, you are ready to attach this to your countertop. Yeah, easy peasy, babe. Okay, and after this, plug it in and have fun. And then, of course, we will have more and optimal, powerful stuff. Yeah, with cooking zones. Two independent zones. The hob provides a measurement total power of 3000 watt. And this is two zones. One zone of 200 millimeter is 1800 watt power, and the 165 millimeter is 1200 watt power for fast and an efficient cooking. And an optimal heat transport, because the device has a fanless metal housing that ensures an efficient and quiet heat dissipation, and thus extend the service life for our heater. And of course, intuitive operation, because the sensor control, child lock, and the 99-minute timer for cooking and standby time makes the touch-sensitive control easy peasy for two electric hot plates, particularly user-friendly. And this comes with its universal suitability, because this hot plate heats all common pots, bottoms made of ceramic, cast iron or stainless steel with an ideal diameter of 12 up to 26 centimeter for versatile cooking. And of course, you saw it, it's easy, it's fast, and our kids make pans with a high melodic and the families come together. They stage the unseen excellence behind the most precious moments, from the hosting of the Sunday pancakes and the sterilization of the baby bottle at the midnight. This device works with a quiet precision, and they are all designed to hide in the background of the life, effortlessly reliable and still brilliant. That brings us our kitchen behind the most beautiful moments of our life. Professional performance, refined control, the abrasion resistant glass ceramic, easy to clean shield makes it possible. Its uniform heating perfect, without even heat distribution to the corners. And it is on the size, the length 500 millimeter, the side is 286 millimeter. In total, this will be 520 millimeter with cover and 288 millimeter. And the thickness is 52 millimeter. So, this is compact but powerful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Tun, tun.